How to see who viewed your Facebook story. Now, let's say you want to know if your friends have viewed your Facebook story. The first thing to do is to add something to your Facebook story. All we have to do is to tap on this button right here, the Create Story, and add something, let's say a photo from Instagram. Say this one right here. And then we want to add this specific photo to my Facebook story. All I have to do is to share it right here. And after the story is uploaded after quite some time, you just have to tap on your story again and swipe it up. And as you can see, I haven't posted this story in a very long time yet, so there is no viewers on this specific story. However, if you have added something to your story for quite a long time before the 24-hour mark, you will be able to see the people that have viewed your story on Facebook. So that's how to see who viewed your Facebook story. Hope we help.